If you're looking for a way to spend your crypto out in the real world, then converting crypto into gift cards can be a really great option. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to turn your crypto into gift cards for some of your favorite brands and retailers like Best Buy, Hulu, Lowe's, Nike, and Uber. So first, you'll want to go to CoinPayments.net. Now, if you don't have an account yet, no problem. You can just create one quickly first. So once you're ready to go ahead and click sign in. And you'll also want to make sure that the crypto you want to use to buy the gift cards is deposited in your CoinPayments wallet. Then once you've entered your login info, click on the Your Wallet tab. This will take you to a screen with a variety of options. To get to the gift card area, just click on the Purchase Gift Cards tab. Now it will give you a list of categories, but if you scroll down towards the bottom, you can click on the View All Cards button. Then you'll be directed to a page with tons of options from your favorite brands and retailers. There's categories such as travel, apparel, beauty, restaurants, footwear, electronics, and more. So to start out, go ahead and just select the card you'd like. Next, you enter the amount you would like to purchase. On the screen, you'll also enter the delivery email and your phone number. Click Complete Purchase and it will take you to a screen where you'll need to enter a few more details, such as your first and last name and email. Okay, now for the fun part, how you can actually buy these with crypto. So go ahead and select the coin you'd like to complete the transaction in, and then you'll click the Apply My Coin Balance button. And finally, you can click Complete Checkout to finish the transaction. And there you have it, a super simple way to buy gift cards either for personal use or for a gift using your crypto. The gift card will show up in the recipient's email just like any other electronic gift card would, and they can easily access it by either printing it, saving it as a PDF, or if they want to use it online, simply inputting the gift card number and PIN. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like more helpful tips on how to use cryptocurrency in your everyday life, then be sure to click the subscribe button.